Here on the banks of the Susquehanna River in the town of Wrightsville, Pennsylvania, sits a company whose history dates back to 1906. This is Donsco, a family-owned and operated business that is not just a full-service cast iron foundry. They manage the entire casting supply chain, and they utilize a suite of Norican products to help them get the job done. From Simpson's multi-cooler, multi-mole, and Hartley bond dosing, to DISA's D3A 425 molding machine, to the Wheelabrator 2 TMS 34250, Donsco is a picture of the Complete Foundry in action.
Donsco has been in operation here since 1906. Here at our Wrightsville facility, we have our high and medium volume foundry. Very vertically integrated supply chain partner. So I would say we work best with the customers that want to partner with a cast iron foundry that can handle everything from the start of the process to the end of the process. That's when someone's going to come to Donsco. We've standardized on Simpson equipment at both of our foundries. Everything is coming through one supplier. That's been very beneficial for us. In 2018, we had a fire at our Wrightsville facility. So the first calls was to the Simpson folks. And we said, hey, here's what we want to do. And they were able to give us a solution. So when we were choosing the equipment for the new foundry, it just so happened we chose the Simpson equipment, we chose Wheelabrator shot blast cleaning equipment, and then our DISA vertical molding machines. At the time, they were not all under the same umbrella. So we had three contacts for all our three main pieces of equipment. Since we've come online and everybody is under the same umbrella, now it's really a single point of contact. So just like the Donsco business model of having a single point of contact, we have actually now ended up with our most strategic equipment partner all being under the same umbrella. So what that allows us to do is we now have a plant that can expand our capacity. There's a lot of moving parts in a foundry, a lot of pieces of equipment to work on, and in this work environment it's very challenging to get good maintenance technicians. So whenever we reach a point that we don't have the capacity in-house to service the equipment, it's nice to have somebody that we can go to that has the field service engineers and the support staff that can help us out, and help us out on not just one piece of equipment. So now it's three major components between sand and molding and the cleaning side that we can reach out, and we can utilize those resources to help complement our own in-house resources. Well, one of the most important things in a foundry is the machinery uptime. We cannot afford any piece of equipment to go down because the entire plant will shut down. So by having the reliability on the back end of the process, that is just as important to us as making the molds on the DISA D3 molding machine that we have, and then getting the sand prepared. Big piece of technology that we added to the molding machine was called an automatic pattern changer. So with the automatic pattern changer, it takes out a lot of the safety issues that we had with trying to put the heavy foundry tooling on the machine. It's an automatic piece of equipment that is putting the tooling onto the molding machine. That's probably the biggest benefit that our machine operators have seen, and the one feature that they're praising the most, because it has made their job a lot easier. All the equipment being under one umbrella right now, it really cuts down on trying to find out who you need to call. Everybody's able to help us on all the equipment that we have in our plant. So we have the ability now to go out and bring more customers online, more part numbers online, generate additional revenue. We can get better at making product that's 100% quality 100% of the time.
With a current run of success and more on the horizon with their DISA, Simpson, and Wheelabrator equipment, Donsco is continuing to deliver on products that live up to their name and reputation. Quality through and through. Just another way how Norican is helping to keep the wheels of industry turning.